Where? Oh. Hold on.
Maybe I should open up the bottom door too, just in case.
Already going.
Alright. There's a bird in my house, and I gotta figure out.
Bird hunter.
He's a bird hunter. He's about to get this shit out of my house, cause I'm petrified. I don't know where he went.
Oh, there it is. He's a little bird.
That's a little bird, too fucking big to be in my shit. Y'all see? Whoa! Whoa! Shut that door. Oh my God.
Whoa, 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 whoa. Smash the window?
No, I don't want him to die in here. Did you get it? Did you get it? Did it go outside?
No, he's in the kitchen.
Oh my God. They carry diseases. Where'd he go?
Maybe he did out in that porch.
No!
Go
He ain't! No! No!
Move out to the back porch. Get. He's gone.
Whew.
Game over.
Job well done. T.
Bird hunter.
You are the best bird hunter in the world. Cause my ass was getting ready to die. Like.
Oh, it's had a heart attack too.
I know. Did you see like how frantically he was flying? Like.
Yeah, I smashed him on your window.
Oh my God.
Yeah, that's just crazy.
Dude, I gotta find out where the hell this bird came from.
Yeah.
I gotta find out where the hell this bird came from.
Let's go upstairs.
Oh gosh.
What's your windows are shut?
Upstairs?
Yeah. Well.
Yeah, they should be.